Hello! Video of the test of the emergency opening and starting of TOYOTA RAV4 2019 using UNLOCKER and AST PRO devices. AST PRO UNLOCKER for Toyota Lexus. Device for the ultra-fast emergency start of the Toyota Lexus engines. AST PRO. Tested car Toyota RAV4 2019. AST PRO Unlocker was connected to the front left headlight connector of the car with access from the engine compartment, but not through the bent front bumper. Now we set the car on guard. Check, the car is locked. It is evident by this indicator that the immobilizer has switched to security mode. We turn on Unlocker and click on its button. With the blinking of the turn signals, it is clear that the central lock has been unlocked. Check, the driver's door is open. We enter the car to test the operation of the AST PRO device, the wiring of which was previously connected to the OBD connector and to the steering wheel latch connector. Press the start button. The engine does not start. Plug the connector to the device. A flashing green LED indicates a connection with the car, and the engine starts immediately. The steering wheel and automatic transmission are unlocked and the car is ready to move. Disconnect the device from the car. The engine stops immediately. The test is completed successfully. Thanks all for watching.